Rosie. I can't wait till those New Yorker kids play the brown noise and crap their pants.
We have to watch them. We can't miss them.
Okay, let's see the musical sheet.
Ha 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 ha. This is gonna be sweet.
Caillou. Look, it's the music we changed.
Oh, Rosie. If 4 million people play the brown noise at the same time.
1, 2, 3, go.
No.
Isn't that weird when 4 million people shed at the same time? If that was in real life, it would be so weird. At least we're in an animation software.
No. Oh.